Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the outer vault to save file location. I show you guys where it saves. You just need to open up File Explorer and go to C drive and open the users folder and double click on your username. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then just double click on it and double click on this saved games folder. Double click on this the outer vault to and double click on auto save, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys the config file location. You just need to go back to the username and double click on this app data folder. If you can't able to see it, then select the view option and select show. Make sure you check this option hidden items, and then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and then double click on this local folder and find this Arcanas folder. Double click on it and double click on the saved and double click on this config. Double click on Windows and right click on this game user settings and select edit in notepad, and this is where all your graphics settings will be saved. You can edit it using this, just modify the number and select the file and select save it, and that's how you can do it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.